Hello class, welcome back. So for this class, we're going to need to download Xcode, um, Xcode 9, which is currently in beta. So at the time of making this video, if Xcode 9 is already out, you can skip this step. But if you're watching this video and Xcode 9 hasn't been officially released, you will not want to skip this step if you want to continue this video series. So let me show you really quick where to go. Just open up your internet browser and you're going to want to go to https://developer apple.com, and then you want to type in Xcode. So it'll bring you to this page, and essentially it'll tell you information about what's new and about the editor. But for our purposes, we just want to go to the download link, and you're going to need an account. It's free, so just create an account and you should be good. Sign in. And then here's Xcode 9. You're just going to download this. I already have it downloaded, so I'm not going to re-download it, but download it, go through the setup wizard, and put it in a place where it's going to make sense for you. So for me, I just put Xcode beta in under my applications directory. So from here on out, if you want to work in this application, you're going to have to launch Xcode beta, not Xcode. Okay, so in the next lecture, we'll actually go into the project setup and we'll continue. All right, see you guys.